another website where you can earn dollars every day by doing simple tasks. Earn free crypto every 5 minutes from our Faucet. Complete surveys from CPS, BitLabs, Prime Surveys, and more. Access top offer awards like Notably, Mix, Lead, and others. Claim daily bonuses. Complete short links and easy tasks. Withdraw instantly to Faucet or C wallet or crypto wallet. Faucet Pay, C wallet, or crypto wallet. I'm going to show you all this in my next videos. The Faucet Pay, C wallet, and crypto wallet. Crypto wallet, I know them. You think you know them, okay? These are wallets like Binance, then BitGet. You see, those are okay. OKX, those are them. So let's get into it. So you see the withdrawals. You see the withdrawals, guys. Withdrawals. People are withdrawing cash out. That's 0.02 cash out. 0.0 something. Yeah, I mean the moment you have anything in your account, you can cash out instantly. No delay, nothing like that. Automatically money comes instantly into your wallet of preference. Okay, let's get into it. You click on these three dots here, three lines there, and for me I have my account. Let me just log in like that. Then yeah, I have my account already. Then make sure you confirm you are human. Okay, yes, it's confirming. Okay, now member login. Find every object that can be folded in this photo here. Anything that can be folded. Okay, one is this one, another one is this one. Make sure you answer this question to proceed. You cannot proceed without answering them. Then verify. Must click verify. Yes, see, you have already verified. You can see the tick here. Then keep me logged in. Then log in. Okay. So you see, you are being directed, successfully logged in. So you see, currently my account, I have 2,565.59 coins, which is equivalent to 0.25636 dollars. Okay, I don't want to withdraw now. I want to add them. I want to let them. I don't want to allow them to accumulate. Okay, so let's get into our tasks. Okay, tasks. First, you need to claim this one. Claim free coins every 5. This one here, 5 minutes. Click on this one, roll. Then you tick here. Then you answer this memo. Select the image displayed the less frequent of times. Among these images, select one that is displayed less times. So this one here. There are only 2 times. Okay, you click on that, then you press and win this one. You see, I've already gathered 5.05 coins. Then you click close. Okay, it will refresh automatically. Then for you to claim again, you need to wait for this time here. You see this one, you need to wait for that to go for you to claim again. Okay, let's go to another tasks. You click on these 3 dots here, 3 lines there, like that. Then you come to earn coins. Let's start to die. Okay, so when you open like this, you see daily bonuses you have here. Daily bonuses. Let's start with it. Okay, scroll up slowly. This is the one here. You see here. Click on it. Claim 10. And this one, today I'll get 10, tomorrow 11, the next day 12, the next day you'll get higher the more the more the days go. So you need to log in every day to claim, okay, the current, okay, according to the days you have logged into your account. So you see now your streak day 1 and your next reward will be 11. So you see it will go up to thousands. Okay, just simple like that. That's when you are done with this. Let's do another one. Okay, let's do another one. You will still again come here like that, then click on that, view ads, see view ads, watch short links, everything a lot. Let me show you that one, view ads. Okay, please guys, please, you need to follow steps accordingly. Okay, now these are the ads you're supposed to visit, just to visit, to allow it to go for some seconds and you earn. So you see here, this one is 60 seconds. So you click on here, visit, then you allow for 60 seconds. You'll see a countdown. Don't worry, the countdown will be there. If not a countdown, there will be a bar that is being filled. The moment the filling is done complete, then you'll have already garnered the reward already. See? So you see this one here, you see this one here, you see here, you see that bar, it is filling up. The moment it's all complete green or blue, this green or blue, you will already be gathered the 12 coins. Okay, just simple like this. Just while you are being online, just convert your free time into cash. Guys, I only give you sites that are legit and you're not requested to register with any fees, just for free. Okay, for free. Me myself, I have several of them and I do earn every day. Okay, once you get yourself familiar with these online things, you will not lack money. So you need to confirm that. Then again, select the image displayed in the frequent, like the other first one. Just select the image that is displayed few times here. It's this one. Okay, click on that, then it's already done. Okay, automatically successful. Okay, there are very many here. You can see very many of them. I will only showing you how exactly to do them. Okay, let me show you to withdraw. Same, you come there, then click on more. See here, withdraw. You can see withdraw history. You can see everything is here. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. As long as you have anything in your account, you can withdraw. As long as you have set your wallet. Okay. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and please give it a try. Okay, give it a try. Thank you.